Deadfoot Arms. I got Russell here, man. Introduce yourself to the world and tell us what you got.
Hey guys, I'm Russ from Deadfoot Arms. We're gonna cover some products we've had out before and then a couple new products that we're introducing in 2018. So if you're unfamiliar with what we do, this is the Deadfoot Arms modified cycle system with folding stock adapter. What it is, it's a drop-in kit for a direct impingement or gas piston AR-15 platform. The weapon can be fired with the stock folded or the stock in the deployed position.
Cool.
What's unique about our system is that you can still attach any brace stock that you choose to work. So maybe you want to run a short 300 black, hey, put a pistol brace on there. It's a nice little setup.
And by the way, if you didn't notice, guys, watching this is from Star Wars. It's got a Star Wars theme on there. Very cool. Okay, keep going, sorry.
Yeah, no, not a problem. So what our kit comprises of is the folding stock adapter itself. We utilize a dual spring bufferless cycle system and then a shortened version of the M16A2 mil-spec bolt carrier group. We do offer our products in left side folding as well, and we also offer a 9mm variation for your pistol caliber carbine guys.
Nice.
One other item that I want to introduce for you guys is, and this is all new, actually just announced here at SHOT Show 18, is our RIP mil-spec buffer tube. If you're familiar with a standard buffer tube, to use it, you would hit the lever, pull back, find your spot, and go ahead and go to work with the rifle. What's unique about the RIP is you no longer need to utilize that lever to action the stock. You just pull it back, and it's going to stop at a preset length of pull that you choose. This is a really nice tool for quick transition and immediate threat engagement. A lot of guys like to carry short. This is going to take you from that real short, compact transport or carry setting to that preferred length of pull firing position.
That is cool.
Much faster than ever.
I like that.
So, another new product that we've got in 2018, as you can see here, is our G-Rex telescoping brace. This brace works great with our folding stock adapter line, but it's also a great tool for like a Chris Vector or an AK pistol. We've got it set up here on this PAP 92 with a Ace folder and pig nose adapter. This product is available now on our website for pre-order, and these start shipping April 15th. Again, this is the G-Rex telescoping brace.
That is awesome.
Simple as that. And right now it's actually a pre-order special until around February 10th, 2018 here.
I'm glad to see you guys are catering to the AK guys as well as the AR guys. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Last item that, and this is our Boba Fett blaster that we did for SHOT Show 2018. We've got a really good coder on our team, Dan, and he's done some amazing stuff. A lot of the photos you're going to see on our Instagram page or up on our website, Dan's coded them, and he does amazing work. We're working on one more telescope, or I should say fixed brace system that works with the Gearhead Works tail hook. We're just calling this our skeletonized brace. Again, this would be something that you'd use with like a Chris Vector, AK applications. But if you guys haven't seen the tail hook before, it's pretty simple. It's got a little latch where this opens up. So the tail hook's from Gearhead Works, and then this new skeletonized adapter is ours. You'll see that up later on our website. Probably sometime spring 2018, we'll be getting these going as well.
Can you hold it up sideways so we can get a
absolutely.
nice beauty shot of that thing? That is gorgeous, man. Love it. Very cool. And what's going on here with this? It's just what, 7 inch or shorter?
Yep, this is a 7.5 inch, 300 blackout that we did. Actually, or a shout out to our guys at Low Pro LLC. We're actually going to be offering these little hand stops.
Tiny.
Yeah, on our website. They're low profile, but they're really nice, especially if you're running an AR pistol and it's not an AOW, something that you can get a little bit additional grip without having a vertical forward grip on your weapon. And they're very affordable. These,
Nice.
pick these up for like $25.
And what muzzle device is this? That's got my attention. That is cool looking, man.
Yep,
What is that?
that's from Tactical Advantage Armory. The same individual who does our coding, Dan, he's also got his own line of linear compensators. He does everything in titanium.
Oh, wow.
You can find him, just search for Tactical Advantage Armory, like on Google search, and you'll see what this guy's doing. He does he's got a line of brakes for everything from 22 to 50 BMG. So
cool. You can kind of look at this for a long time and spot little things. Like already, like that trigger, I've never seen that. What's going on with that trigger?
Yeah, this is the Airborne Arms Geronimo trigger, and this is kind of a unique shoe, a new shoe that they came out. Yeah. What's unique about their trigger setup is that, one, it's really, really light. It's about a 2.5 pound trigger pull. But it's got replaceable shoes that you can use, something to fit your finger, fit your hand placement, being that it's adjustable. So a neat little system. Airborne Arms LLC, they're neighbors to us up in Minnesota. They do a nice job with their triggers.
Nice. I see a Odinworks extended mag catch. What is this? Battle Arms selector, I think.
Yep, Battle Arms selector. You got grip, skeletonized grip from Tyrant.
Charging handle, who's running that? What is that one there?
This one got the Strike Industries. Strike Industries charging handle.
Oh, and their dust cover.
Yep.
Well, yeah.
Vortex, the Spitfire here. Also dust cover from Strike Industries. The 7.5 inch rail from 7-inch rail from Midwest Industries. And the clear magazines from Lancer as well. So, little build like this, little blackout. Looks really cool, and a lot of folks will say, okay, yeah, it's a nice little show gun, but I'll tell you what, this gun, it was one of our first original testing guns, the MCS that we ran 300 blackout on. We actually have about 10,000 rounds through this gun.
Oh, get out of here.
Yeah, just, it was before it was painted. Been rededicated a little bit. So
it's not just a cool looking collector gun, that thing's a shooter.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, that thing's a shooter, man. Very cool.
Yeah, we, unfortunately, we're still not quite big enough to be able to just have pretty guns. We got to shoot what we got. So.
Nice, cool. Yeah.
If you guys have any questions, info@deadfootarms.com or www.deadfootarms.com. Just give us a shout. We're happy to help.
Cool. Thanks a lot, man.